JSON is the language of web and modern APIs. Serialization converts C# objects to JSON strings and back, making data exchange with the web APIs, configuration files, and other systems seamless and type-safe. System.Text.Json is built into the modern .NET, and you can use methods like serialize to convert objects to JSON and deserialize, converting JSON spec to objects. It is fast, lightweight, and recommended for the new applications. The Newtonsoft.Json, also known as JSON.NET, offers more features and is widely used in existing code bases. You can use the serialize object and deserialize object methods with support for complex scenarios like circular references, custom converters, and advanced serialization settings. Pad the JSON input for security, handle the null values, and consider async methods for large data to avoid blocking the thread.